On this millennial review, I'm going to show you how to install a CLCH121 or CLCH122 water filter into your Frigidaire refrigerator. So I've got one of these Frigidaire gallery refrigerators, and right now it's been having issues with the water. It tells you to replace your water filter. So again, if you hit it real quick, it's going to say the water filter and you need to replace. So what I'm going to show you how to do is do that. So if you go to the refrigerator side of your fridge, you'll notice on the top right near the markings about your refrigerator, that's going to be the water filter. So you just press in, pull out, and the water filter itself will come right out. So I chose to get a generic version of one of these water filters, but I believe it should work out pretty well. You'll see it's going to come sealed up in some plastic, so we're going to go ahead and pop that open and pull it out. So with the two side by side, you'll notice the only difference is the top of this one is a little bit different shape than on this guy, and they do tell us in the instructions that when you start to put it in, you're going to push on it. Don't want to have excessive force, just push it in until you hear the first click. So let's go ahead and give that a shot with the new water filter. So inside of the fridge, you're going to line this water filter up with the opening. You'll notice the opening has a small little notch, and that's where this notch is going to go. So slide the water filter right into the fridge, push in, and it's going to click into place. With the water filter installed, the next thing we need to do is reset our display here. So if you go to options, you're going to cycle down till you get to water filter, and then it's going to say press and hold to reset. So we'll hold it. And now it shows that the water filter is good. So at this point, let's go ahead and take our cup and see how it works out. And so you'll see at first it's going to press out a little odd because the water needs to bleed. This is normal. It's going to start to get a smooth flow in just a second. After 4 cups of water, the water comes out with a nice smooth pour from the filter and ready to drink. So that's how you replace the water filter on your Frigidaire refrigerator or similar using a CLCH121 or CLCH122 water filter. Be sure to leave a comment down below with any questions that you may have. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it.